Okay friends, in last one we saw how to open Dell Inspiron keyboard for replacement. So I'm assuming you remove the battery, press this button for a while so there is no power in the laptop. Now you can use these hinges like we showed in last video. Keep opening and then supporting like this, slide it like this and this will open like this. Now you can see this is the ribbon here. So this is your keyboard is out. Now assuming you have ordered this N4110 Dell. It's unboxing, let me unbox it. So you'll get the same keyboard. I got it from Amazon for $450. Okay, so this is upside. If you can see, this side is upside. Okay, if you can see the old one, this side was upside. So let's try it out. So you'll have the same four, you can see four hinges this side, bottom. Let's fix it into these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then this needs to go here. See, this is upside, the bright one is upside. Go here. The ribbon needs to go perfectly, else it will not work. Now very carefully press this down. Okay, now nothing is there, you just press it the way we opened it. Just press it. 1, 2, click, 3, 4. Okay, that is it. You're done. The replacement is done. So yeah, that is it, I think. Okay, thank you.